Hey everyone, we wanted to do a quick update on the landing fees. First off, if you're not a member or a subscriber already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We are danger close to being able to give away those 5 free flight hours to one lucky subscriber. Kissimmee Airport landing fees, they go live this weekend, which is February 1st, 2025. As we understand it right now, you get your first landing of the day free, and that is based on the tail number. And then you start paying $3 per 1,000 pounds, rounded up to the next 1,000 per landing after that. So be careful on that one, guys. I have reached out to the airport manager for Kissimmee. Sean initially did say that he was willing to come on the podcast. Now we're just going to wait and see if he gets back to me. As soon as that happens, then we'll be recording that and getting it out there so that he can have his opportunity to put forth his case. Okay. Orlando executive listened to the pilots and took a step back and have said that they are examining other options of trying to generate their shortfall in the operations of the airport. It is a pretty big shortfall, and that is why they were initially looking at these fees. But again, they took the time, they listened to the community, and they are looking at other options. So thank you to Orlando executive. That was a seriously stand-up move. And finally, I want to just personally say thanks very much to Dave Sparks. Anybody that doesn't know, Heavy D Sparks on YouTube, but thank you to him for giving the Martin family the closure that they desperately needed after a month of uncertainty. Thanks very much, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.